So you're going to merge center and change the color of the title. So here's these cells, and what you're going to do is you're going to highlight them all the way to G, and then you're going to press merge. And then right here you're going to do center align for both, because this was already in center align, right? So I'm just going to do that. And then it says change the color. So that would be right here in a font color. So I'll make it orange. Then it says to enter a sum formula in H3. So right here, you're going to click into there and you're going to go equal sum and then do your parentheses again. You're going to highlight all of these boxes and then you're going to close your parentheses and you're going to press enter. So you're going to do the same thing right here. You're going to do equal sign sum, open the parentheses, and you're going to take all of those and close the parentheses and done. And then you're going to drag it down. Sorry about that. You're going to drag it down to H11. So come right here, go into the corner until you see that plus sign, and then you're going to drag it down so it'll drag the formula down. So it says here, enter the sum formula that will sum up B12 to G12. Okay, so you just go right up into here, equals sum, open the parentheses, here all the way across, close the parentheses and press enter. And then it says enter subtraction formula. So equals H12 12 minus H3. Done. Let's make sure 160 and then H3. So no, actually, see, I went in reverse. So it should be H3 minus H12. So let's fix that. Because it actually made a profit. There we go. So we'll change it to read.